everybody, today we're going to show you the hydraulic thumb bucket. Those of you that do not have a hydraulic thumb on your machine, or you got a mechanical thumb, this would be a good option for you guys to go with instead of trying to put a thumb on the machine. They also rotate with the entire degree of the machine. So what that means is, your hydraulic thumb, even with having a hydraulic thumb, your angle is here. As you come up, you're opening that space up. You're not ever going to get the full travel of the end of your bucket like you will with this. So the difference being, you're going to run your auxiliaries into the bucket instead of running your curl into the thumb, because again, it rotates on the same axis now. So the thumb bucket, you got a lot of uses for just holding your material in, doing stuff like this. We're going to just kind of give you a quick demo today, just to show you what they are, show you how they run, show you what you can do with them. But again, you're changing your axes so that at full height, full extension, where a hydraulic thumb wouldn't have all the height or even run on the same plane. So when you're rotating your bucket into your thumb, this isn't going on the same plane like it is now. So we're going to just show you that real quick, give you a quick demo, chop some stuff up and show you what they do. Yell at me if I block the view, so I guess I'll do it over here. Pile as high as I want to make it. Quick and simple. Drop my last piece. Then if I want to, obviously I can still use this for a bucket. I have my self-stretching bucket. If I want to collect my soil, my topsoil, I can actually grab it, separate it, put it inside, and continue to cut my ditch. Pretty heavy build, so even if you wanted to, use it for other stuff, you can put logs with it, you can pull stuff, you can kind of be a little bit rough with them. Again, your axis is changing as you go up and down. So there you go. Just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown on the hydraulic thumb bucket. It was something we haven't put a lot of time into. Again, the attachments is something we really just purchased. We get with the manufacturing company, let them know what we want. Some degree of steel, some degree of thicknesses and so forth, but for the most part, we order them and they send them out to us, and then, you know, we try to make them better. If we got to make them better, if we don't really got to touch them, then they're yours to buy. We're going to do a weed whacker head here. I've seen some people putting them out. I thought they were extremely dangerous, so I wasn't sure. And I mean, we made skirting for hours just because I wanted to show you guys what they are, how they operate. There's not a lot of information out. They're really neat, but we're going to do that video next. If you guys are interested in some of that stuff, give us a call at 570-837-1003 or 570-837-1016. We appreciate you guys watching. We'll catch you in the next one.